If you use Aircall, then you'll already be aware of some of the fantastic reporting options you have within the platform itself. But did you know there are many situations where you can get much more from your Aircall data by connecting it to a KPI dashboard tool like Geckoboard? Let's take a look at some of those situations. Number 1, displaying your Aircall data in real time on a TV dashboard. Setting up a TV dashboard in your office is one of the most effective ways of making sure that your team stays aware of fast changing Aircall data and KPIs. Whether you work in sales, customer service, or something else, a TV wallboard is a tried and tested way of motivating your agents and making sure that everybody stays up to date and aligned on the metrics that matter. Number 2, creating dashboards from multiple data sources. Most companies who use Aircall will also use other tools like Salesforce, Intercom, Zendesk, or Pipedrive. Geckoboard integrates with over 90 data sources, which means that you can create custom dashboards which display all of your most important metrics at a glance. Number 3, sharing your KPIs. Not everyone in your business will have easy access to Aircall's reporting tools. That includes senior stakeholders who likely don't use Aircall itself, but it also includes agents and reps who are otherwise busy with day-to-day tasks and calls. For these team members and stakeholders, Geckoboard makes it easy to share your KPIs. You can create sharing links so colleagues can access your dashboards from anywhere. You can automate your reporting by setting up snapshots of your dashboards for email and Slack, and you can create notifications and alerts, which trigger in Slack whenever any of your KPIs breach a set threshold. Now, let's explore step by step how you can create an Aircall dashboard using Geckoboard. To start off, visit geckoboard.com and sign up for a 14-day free trial. Select Aircall, choose any of the presets to get started, then connect your Aircall account. It might take a minute or two to connect your Aircall data, but once that's finished, we're going to build our first widget. I'm going to start off by building a widget to visualize our average wait time today. I'm also going to set a warning status indicator, which will trigger any time this KPI breaches 1 minute. Likewise, I'm also going to set a positive status indicator, which will display any time this metric is under 30 seconds. This helps to communicate to my team the standards that we're aiming for when it comes to average wait time. And it also helps me know whenever or not we're hitting those standards, so I can work with the team to turn things around. I can even set up notifications which will alert me in Slack whenever these status indicators are triggered. Next, I'm going to build a widget which shows me which agents are available, unavailable, or in a call. This has an almost instant refresh rate, so you can be confident that it's always going to be up to date. Now you can see how easy it is to create widgets. I'm just going to spend the next 5 minutes building up this dashboard and talk you through what I've done. As you can see, I've added more widgets to create this customer service dashboard. As well as displaying call metrics from Aircall, I've also connected our Zendesk account, which means that we can display help desk metrics from Zendesk support. Here, we've created a leaderboard which shows how many calls have been taken by individual agents today, and here we're also tracking the overall call volume throughout the week. One of the best things about Geckoboard is that if I want to drill into any of these metrics, I can use interactive view to investigate the metric further. For example, I can see what factors are contributing to our missed calls and when these have taken place. I can also view the source data, where I can see the individual calls that contribute towards this metric. Now, if I want to share this dashboard, I've got a few different options. Either I can invite users to view this dashboard, or I can just create a sharing link so I can share my dashboard with anyone I want. I can even embed my dashboard into tools like Notion. If I want to display this dashboard on a TV, then our Send to TV feature makes this really easy. An Aircall dashboard like this really does look fantastic on a big screen. And better yet, your dashboards and your loops of dashboards can be managed remotely through your Geckoboard account. And finally, as I mentioned at the start of the video, I can automate my reporting by setting up snapshots of this dashboard to be sent at regular intervals, either to email or Slack. With so many ways to share, your Aircall KPIs are going to become unmissable. So there we go. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please drop us a like and a subscribe. If you want to try Geckoboard, then head over to geckoboard.com where you can try the product for free for 14 days. If you have any questions at all, just leave those in comments and we'll get back to you. Thanks very much and have a great day.